In this question, we are given that an absent-minded shopkeeper interchanged the markup of M% and a discount of D% of a product. So instead of making a profit of 8%, he made a loss of 12%. Okay, so let's start the question. Let the cost price be the good of let the cost price of the product be X. So he had to mark up it by M%. That means X. If he marked it up, that means 1 plus M%, that is 1 plus M upon 100. Then he gave a discount of D%, that means 1 minus D upon 100. And so he made a profit of 8%. He made a profit of 8%, that is profit of 8% would come out to be, if X is the cost price, so it would amount to X into 108 upon 100, or we can write X into 108 upon 100. So it's done. X and X gets cancelled out and we are left with 100 plus M, 100 minus D upon 100 into 100, and 108 upon 100. We'll cancel this out and we are left with 100 plus M into 100 minus D is equals to 108. Now we'll proceed further. Now, what the mistake has he done, the absent-minded shopkeeper? He gave the price was X. Now, if he wanted the actual mistake he has done, he had to mark it up by M percentage, but he did by D percentage. That means 1 plus D upon 100, and then he gave a discount of M%. He interchanged it, 1 minus M upon 100, and because of that, he made a loss of 12%. That means it would come out to be 88 upon 100 into X. X and X gets cancelled again. This would be 100 plus D into 100 minus M, and this would be 100, and 100 gets cancelled out. This would become 88. So the next equation is 100 minus M, 100 plus D upon 100 is equals to 88. So we have the two equations. Now we'll solve this further. Now we'll solve the first equation. This, it's given, we'll multiply this, we'll get square of 100 minus 100D plus 100M and minus MD is equals to 108 into 100. Now we'll solve the second equation. We'll get 100 square minus 100M, okay, and then 100 square minus 100M and 100D plus 100D and minus MD, and this would come out to be 88 into 100. We'll just add the equations. This gets cancelled out, this gets cancelled out. We are left with minus 2MD and 100 square plus 100 square is equals to 108 into 100 plus 88 into 100. So let's solve this. 100 square would be 10,000, 10,000, 20,000 minus 2MD is equals to 108, 10,800. This would come out to be 10,800 plus 8,800, and this would be 18,000, 19,600. Okay, 19,600. We'll write this down here that so 2MD would come out to be, we subtract this 400 and 200, so MD would come out to be 200. MD is 200. When you solve this, you will get MD as 200. Okay, so now let's we have MD, we have, so now let's what else can we do? Wait, let us see what else can we do. Let's we have subtracted, let's we had added, now let's subtract the equation. Let's subtract, yes, let's subtract. If we'll subtract, so sign would have changed, so this would get cancelled out. 100 this would be minus 200D and this would become plus 200m. Okay, then this would cancel out and this would be 10,800 minus 8,800. So this would be, we'll take 200 as common, and m minus d would be left inside. 10,800 minus 8,800 would be 2,000. 0 0 0 0 2 ones are 2 tens are. So yes, we get m minus d as 10. So now we can solve this. We'll square the both the sides. Wait. Yes, we had m minus d as 10. If we do squaring on both sides, we'll get m square plus d square minus 2md is equals to 100, and we have md, that is m square plus d square minus 2 into 200 into is equals to 100. So m square plus d square is equals to 100 plus 400, that is 500. So this is the answer for the question, that is d square plus m square is nothing but 500. This was a very good question. I would suggest you to solve this once again by yourself, and try to solve it by any other method if you have. But according to me, this is the best method that you can solve. There is no another method and a small method. This is the smallest method. So try this question and we'll solve further questions in further videos. Thank you.